Welcome back everyone to Average Joe's Barbecue. In today's episode, we're going to be doing smoked green bean casserole. Easy, simple side dish for Thanksgiving. You're not going to want to miss it. Stay tuned. Welcome back. This is a very simple recipe, and it's going to impart a lot of smoky flavor, and it's definitely going to be a hit with your Thanksgiving sides. So let's go ahead and get started. So first off, we're going to start with 3 jars of green beans. Now for the simplicity and ease of use of this video, I'm going to use the ones in the can. You can absolutely use fresh green beans as part of this recipe. You're just going to have to blanch them a little bit first so they get a little more cooked through. But for this case, I'm going to use cans, and it'll make this go a lot faster. So we'll go ahead and put those in there. Okay. And next I got 3 cans of mushroom soup. Use your favorite brand or what's available to you. Alright, once you got that in there, you're going to want to put in 2 cups of milk. And here I have sauteed a medium white onion and a pack of white mushrooms chopped. So we're going to add those. Here, I did this ahead of time. I went ahead and smoked a pound of bacon. If you need a video or how-to on how to do that, I have another video on that. Go ahead and check that out. So I just went ahead and smoked this ahead of time. We're going to go ahead and add this. Now I'm not going to add all of this. I'm going to save a little bit, reserve a little bit for the topping at the very end. But we definitely want to get the smoky goodness inside of this casserole. So leave a little bit of that. And now I have 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And then I also have 1 tablespoon of Bearded Butcher's black seasoning. Now this is a smoky type seasoning. This is completely optional, of course, but if you do have a smoky spice one that you like to use, this would be a good time to use it and get even more smoke goodness into this dish here. And now here I have some panko breadcrumbs. Now, while I was smoking the bacon, I went ahead and I smoked the breadcrumbs too. This will add and need another layer of smoky goodness to this. So, and just like the bacon, I'm not going to add all of it, but I am going to reserve a little bit for the topping at the end. And this is another optional step. But to bump this up even a little bit more, I'm going to add some cheddar cheese to it. Probably right around 1.5 cups to 2 cups. But again, use your preference or completely omit it altogether, whatever suits you. Okay. Then we're going to go ahead and give that a stir. It's full. Okay. And really all you're looking for is just to get all these nice and incorporated together so that everything becomes kind of uniform. Should look something like that. Go ahead and get a close-up on that, please. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and get this over to the grill. I'll see you over there. Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be using our Grill Silverback today. I'm using apple wood, and we're running it at about 250 degrees. Let's get it in. plan for about an hour on this. Basically, we just want everything to be kind of heated through, cooked in a little bit. Like I said, bacon's already cooked, so not really a big deal here. We just want to get everything nice and incorporated. So, plan for about an hour, but we will come back in about 30 minutes or so and see how it's doing. Stay tuned. Welcome back, friends. It's been about 30 minutes. Let's give this a check. Oh yeah, it's definitely coming along. So we're just going to give this a stir. You see the cheese is starting to melt. Yeah, it smells good already. Let this go for another about 30 minutes, and then we'll put a topping on it, and then that'll be it, so stay tuned. Welcome back, everyone. So it's been about an hour. Let's go ahead and give this a check. Smells good already. Close up on that. All right. Give this another stir. You can see how the cheese is melting through. So at this point, we're going to finish adding the rest of our reserved topping. So again, start with our smoked hand-cooked breadcrumbs. You just kind of want to get, all covered, relatively even. Presentation is key, especially during the holidays. The rest of our bacon. All right. Go ahead and let that roll for about another 10-15 minutes, and then we'll be ready to eat. So stay tuned. Welcome back, everyone. It's been about 10 minutes. Let's take a look. Definitely looks done. It smells really good too. All right, folks, go ahead and get this pulled, and we'll bring you back for the reveal. Stay tuned. Welcome back. So we have this pulled. Let's get a close up on this. This smells really, really good, amazing. Can't wait to give this a taste. Look at that. See the smoked bacon, the gooey cheese. Ooh, this looks good. Alright. Cheers, folks. Ooh. Hot. That was really good. Right off the bat, you get the smoke from the breadcrumbs, and then this green bean and the mushrooms. That is really good. Yeah, folks, if you want to take your Thanksgiving side up a notch this year, highly recommend this recipe. And if you like what you saw here today, folks, consider hitting like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. Take care. Thanks. That's a horrible shot. The leg in it.